I like going to Open Days so I can find out a bit more about the courses and I can ask questions.
You get a feel of how the uni is, so you can speak to students about how they found their time here.
Get a chance to interact with your lecturers, see what life would be like at university, considering it's to be such an important part of your life.
Learn more about the professional services, whether it's careers or accommodation, and then just get a sense of the place and the space here.
I am giving campus tours around UCL. I'm showing people around our amazing university. I think somewhere like London, because it's so big, you'll really get a feel for what's around the actual space.
Just to get a feel for the university and have a look at the departments that I'm interested in.
It's so much more diverse and I just think the culture's really good.
It's a great day, it's so sunny and there's so much like food and music and yeah, like why would you not come?